Today, I'm teaching you how to make honeysuckle syrup, so bear with me. Today, I am making honeysuckle syrup for work. We'll see how it turns out. You're picking the stems off the end of this. Any of the green bits you get rid of. I just spent 20 minutes. Okay, in this bowl is 4 cups of water. And then I'm about to add 2 cups of sugar. And we're gonna turn it on, add in the honeysuckles, and move forward. Now we've added sugar, water, honeysuckles. So letting it simmer for a while, cutting the heat, putting everything into a separate jar, letting it sit for about an hour. And then we're going to come back and then we're going to strain it. I'll let these sit overnight. Now it's time to strain this. So I looked around and turns out I do not have a rubber band. I recommend when you're doing this part of putting a rubber band around this. But today I am just praying. Should have prayed harder.